Lucia. Lucy, Lucy.
Lucy, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Lucy. Lucy. Oh, here comes Marco. Say hi, Marco. Hi. You want to see? Okay. Okay, let's see Lucy. Say hi, Lucy. Lucia. She needs to look at us, huh?
Lucy.
You're busy playing with your toy. Lucia. Here we are at the beach, right? And Marco, whoops, is right here. Can you say hi, Marco? Say cheese. Say cheese.
Cheese.
What do you have in your hand, Marco? What do you have?
A bus.
A bus? Who rides the bus?
A children.
The children, yeah. Yeah, the children ride the bus. I know you like this very much. Okay. Let's see. Lucia.
Lucy.
Oops.
Lucy, baby.
Okay. And as you can hear in the background, we've got Thomas going on. Okay. You say bye-bye, Marco?
Bye-bye.